Okay, so tonight we are working on problems 19 through 21. For this first one, we're going to actually use u substitution to start out with. So that u is going to equal e to the x. Anytime we see that e to the x, we're going to replace it with a u. We're going to factor this. So we'll have 5u plus 1, u plus 3. So u is going to either equal negative 1/5 or u will equal negative 3. Now we need to put that back in to find out what what x is. So we'll say e to the x equals negative 1/5. E to the x equals negative 3. We'll do our snail method for both. And we'll have natural log of negative 1/5 equals x, and the natural log of negative 3 equals x. And those will be our two answers. For number 20, we are going to start out by factoring this. So we'll have 3x minus 4, 2x minus 9 equals 0. So that means that x is going to equal 4/3, or x will equal 9/2. And for our last problem, number 21, make sure it's on the screen. So number 21, remember, we're going to think of this as that log, we're just going to put a box around it. And we need to get rid of anything that's outside the box. So first, we'll add 10. So we'll have 2 log 3x minus 7 equals 100. We'll keep that box again, which means we need to get rid of that 2. And we'll have log 3x minus 7 equals 50. There's that invisible base 10. So we'll do the snail. And we'll have 10 to the 50 equals 3x minus 7. Now we just need to finish solving for x. So we'll add the 7 over, we'll divide by 3, and we'll have x equals 10 to the 50 plus 7 divided by 3. That is tonight's homework. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.